Are you tired of your product photography? Don't worry, I am here with a solution for you. No need to pay someone else to shoot your product photo shoot. Here is a total AI solution for you. So let's start.
Welcome back, guys. So another day with another video. Today I'm going to give you the fantastic website called Branding. This is so good for your next branding, create new branding, new post or branding image, that kind thing. This is the best website. So simply you can upload your image, product image, then you can generate the various thing with this website. So I'm going to give some example. See, these are the users created some example. So many different way and very beautiful attractive image for your next product page. So this is a very simple website. So I'm going to explain you what we can do with this website. So here with me, guys, let's go. So first you can have to go to this Flair.ai website .ai. I will put in the link, then create link account for you, then you can start the creations. So here you can see what can we do and how to use this tool. Also we have prompt search. We can put our search our prompt also, because this generate to this kind images you need some prompt. So here some guidance, do and don't, and here see remove background. We have pre-remove background option, resize and rotate. So writing prompts next thing is, so here is the formula for the right prompt. See, very more information you can find here. This is how it works. See, click and see, very simple. See how it generated. You can follow these guidance and you make awesome images for your next project. So basically this is the website. So I am going to explain you what we can do with this tool. So basically we have asset page, basic asset, and if you have your own image you can upload from here. So I upload this image. Simply we can when we click here remove icon, it will remove the, and I will put some label for this. Mix it by or here this is my image. You can then now generate from your prompt, put your prompt here and create new images. Also we have some templates pre-made. You can find these are the templates you can use for. So I'm going to use this one. Let's see how it will work. Only thing, it will seem it's fast. That's one thing, is fast. You can generate instantly what I want. So it will take when it done you will able to find the image in here. This is very good tool for product showcase website. See, this is the site, and we now if we want to edit this image, select the image and magic eraser. You can use this erase tool and delete. See, it's so easy, and generate. It will remove the objective if you don't want in the image, your image. See, that kind. So also image and human also hand. We can use the hand. See, if you are creative, you can see the image look like now. So if you want download image, that's it. Can open. See, this is the image. So simple. You can go and try out, and please let me know if there are any concern about this tool. Yeah, we have so many elements can add to this image. Free elements, humans, so many things you can do with this. We have found a lot of, and it's generative. This tool is very good. Your Facebook is top on that kind images. You can use simply this tool and create awesome images. So guys, I will be back with my next video. So bye.